Is this LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner worth it? That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. First thing I want to say, we just started using this thing. It's already sucking up crap. I don't know if that says something about how messy I am or how great this vacuum is. I think it's a little bit of both. This thing's absolutely amazing. Lightweight too, as you can see. You've got the power button right there. We just hit that to power it on. You've got 3 settings. So it's at its lowest setting right now, higher, and higher. Very simple and easy to use. Now, the attachments are great as well. As I'm covering this, though, another thing I want to say is the reason I think this thing is worth it is, first of all, because it's currently selling over 30,000 units per month, and it has almost 10,000 4.3 to 5-star reviews, many of them written. People love this one. That's why we got it. We did product research, came upon it. But let's go ahead and show you all these different attachments. So you basically have 3. You've got this. You could use it short or long. We're going to show you the long way because that's the normal way you use a vacuum. This is great. You can effortlessly go from carpet to hardwood. It'll pick up pet hair. Very simple and easy to use. Just power it on, and you're already going, and we're sucking stuff up. And we can just effortlessly transition onto the hardwood floor, and it just keeps working. Other thing, you do have that light that's going to guide you when you see more debris kind of lifted off the ground to make sure you get it. And so that's really cool as well. Now, when it comes to switching it out, it's extremely simple. We just click that there, pull it off, click this there, turn it on. And we could use this for cleaning up ledges, cleaning up stairs, just different things like that. Then we can power this one on. This is probably my favorite one because this makes it versatile for even using it like in the cracks and crevices of the couch. But then you could also go in your car and use it in the cracks there. This thing's just super lightweight, super easy to use. It even comes with a mount with mounting screws like this. So it would just hang on the wall and then you would just hang it like that. I mean, super simple, very aesthetically pleasing. And I think it's worth it. What do you think?